Hello friends, I will let you know how to apply for Maharashtra liquor license. Type Maha online on Google, click on Aple Sarkar or click on new user, go to option 1. Select the correct district based on your location. The username should be all small letters. It's better to keep it simple. Don't worry, it won't reflect anywhere. The password should be one capital letter, one special character and a number. So you can example goat @ 2020 with G as capital. Full name in the document as in the Aadhaar card, the date of birth, type your mobile number and click on send OTP. Once you get the OTP, type the OTP number. Always put the mobile number at the end. Once you have filled all the documents, click on accept and click register. You will be notified like this. Now log in again with your username, all small letters, your password, the captcha should be small letters, your district, and click on login. Page will open. Now click on home department, select state excise department, go to the bottom of the page and click proceed. Select the 11th option. Type the name, middle name, last name, your address, your district, taluka, andheri, and these are the list of drop down options. Select the one which you are located at. Type the pin code. Occupation business. The document I will be submitting will be Aadhaar card. So I'll write Aadhaar card. Click on application for permanent permit. Click on submit. Click on save. The application number is generated. Now we have to upload the documents and the photo and the signature. Now to do that, we'll go to Google, type Pixlr. The link is given below. Click on Pixlr E. Yes. Then create new. The photo width is 160 and the height is 200. Click create and you will have this page. Now drag the image to it and click on add current. Make the image small to fit in the size. Yes, from the shoulder. Once this is done, click on crop and press enter on your keyboard. Now go to file, save now. The file name should be simple and small, no dot or number. This is where we get the issue of invalid file name. So keep it very simple. See the KB and click on download. Now the same procedure for signature. Create new, done, click on the height width, drag the signature, add to current, crop, and then save it. Just mention signature all small letters, no dot or anything like that. Most of them are having the same issue. Yes, click on download. Now we'll go to the page. We'll click on browse. We'll select the photo. Now choose the file for signature. The document size is maximum is 500 KB. Okay. So now for identity, we'll put the Aadhaar card. The image or PDF both is okay. You can check the image, the PDF size by right clicking on it and clicking properties. Now click on submit. Okay. Make the payment. Confirm. I have a Paytm account, but I will be doing net banking as most of them will be doing net banking. 1035 amount. I will directly dump to this page as everybody knows how to do net banking. Then you will have this page of application ID. Take a screenshot of it. You will have to wait for 2 days for the license approval on your mobile number. Okay. After 2 days, you go online. I'll give you the login URL as well. If it is pending, then you have to wait. If it's downloaded, it means your license is generated. So once you have your license, laminate it and keep it. Please subscribe. This will encourage me